Hello, and welcome to leanexcelsolutions. In this tutorial, we are going to design these infographic slides in PowerPoint. These are few icons, which we are going to use in our slides. Before start, let's understand the simple mathematics. A circle has a total of 360 degrees all the way around the center. And if you observe, this cut portion is same for all slides, that is 90 degree. The remaining area is 270 degree, which has been divided by number of sections on each slide. So, let's start with adding a blank slide. For section, go back to Edit Data. Add one row to chart range and change value of sections as per calculation. Rotate 90-degree cut portion to down by changing angle to 135 degree. Rest of the process will be the same as we did it for 3 sections earlier. In this way, you can design such infographics for the number of sections you want. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching.